Hey there, I'm Emma. I'm a writer, recipe developer, and BLT rebel. A big little recipe has big flavor and a little ingredient list.
Today, our food stylist Anna is taking the ingredients from a BLT and shape-shifting them into a salad.
Croutons don't have to be perfect, so feel free to tear the bread. Start the bacon in a cold pan so it cooks evenly. Once the bacon starts to crisp, pull it from the pan, but leave the fat where it is. The croutons are happy to soak it up. You want them crunchy on the outside, but squishy on the inside. Butter lettuce is great for BLT sandwiches, and it's great here too. Just make sure it's very dry, or the dressing won't stick. We're blitzing up cherry tomatoes and mayo to make a magical 2-ingredient dressing. More tomatoes will go into the salad. Now, we'll toss the lettuce and croutons to get them all dressed up. Sprinkle the tomatoes and bacon on top. And that's a BLT salad in 5 ingredients. Let's eat!